In today's video, you'll see how you can make money online with a very simple strategy. You don't need to have any previous experience. You can make it work even if you are a total beginner who have never made money online before. If you are interested and want to make it work, then make sure to follow every instruction till the end of this video. If you skip it, you'll not get the desired results and you'll not be able to maximize your earnings. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you'll be one of the first to use it and that way make the most money. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so the step number one is to come over to this website called Sellfy.com. This is a platform that will actually pay you today. Now let me explain to you what Sellfy is and how it works. Well, this is a platform where creators, business owners and entrepreneurs can sell their product hassle-free. It is an easy way to use e-commerce for creators. You can sell merchandise or digital products all from one place. And don't worry, you don't need to be a creator for this. You'll not be selling merchandise, you'll not be selling those products, and you'll not have to invest any money into Sellfy, because I'll show you how you can use it combined with another platform that I'll show you in order to make money. So you just need to come over to Sellfy.com and learn more about it and its features and see exactly how it works. For step number two, you need to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, and then you need to select affiliates under the company section right here, because today we are promoting Sellfy as affiliates. And that's gonna take you over to this page where you can join their affiliate program and start making money. As you can see, all you need to do is to sign up and get your affiliate link, then start sharing that link and earn money whenever someone signs up. For every new user who signs up for a paid Sellfy plan using your affiliate link, you'll get a 25% commission for up to 12 months, which is pretty insane. That's 25% commission in pure passive income for the entire year, so you can refer someone today and make money for the next 12 months passively. And if you, for example, go over to their pricing plans, you're going to be able to see that their higher plan is the $89 per month, which is around $900, and you're getting 25% off of that, which is $222. But if they purchase the monthly plans and they get the premium one, as you can see, which is up to $130 per month, it means that you can make $32 per person every single month. You refer 10 people, for example, that's around $320 every single month. You refer 100 people, that's already $3,200 every single month. So there is a lot of money to be made with this platform as an affiliate, because you can refer unlimited people, and I'll show you later on where to find those people so you can refer them to this website and make money passively. And the best feature about this platform affiliate program is that your commission can go even higher than 20% depending on how many people you refer on here. And as you can see, for referring 1 to 5 people per month, your commission is 25%. From 6 to 15 people, your commission tier becomes 30%, and so on and so forth. It can become 35% and 40% for over 41 people that you refer on here. And if you even make more sales, like 100 monthly, they can even increase that to maybe 50 or 60%. All you have to do is to email them, as you can see right here. So you have the chances of making even more money with this website. Now, something else I want to show you is that Sellfy has paid over $50 million to their creators, as you can see, which is insane. With this said, I'll show you right now the platform that will help you get those clients on autopilot. But before that, what you simply need to do is to click on this button, become an affiliate, or here, start earning money. And it's going to take you over to this page where you need to click on join now, because you need to be a part of their affiliate program. After that, you need to put some basic information about yourself, as you can see right here, and then you need to wait until you get approved into their affiliate program, and once they accept, you'll be able to log into your dashboard where you can withdraw your money, where you can get paid, to see your earnings, and also grab your affiliate links so you can share it with other people and start making passive income. For now, just grab your affiliate link and let me show you how I'll be promoting it. Since this platform that helps creators make money by selling merchandise and digital products, you can, for example, go over to youtube.com and search, for example, for how to make money as a creator. You'll be able to see all of these different videos that explain people how they can do so, and a lot of people are interested in this. What you'll simply need to do is to make a simple 5 to 10 minutes long video, just like these people are doing, but you don't have to show your face, and don't worry about that. You can just title the video like how to make money as a creator, or just like how these people are doing, to how to build up your creator business, how to sell digital products, how to sell merchandise, something like this. And you can just record your screen and create a video talking about Sellfy platform, and screen record it and talk more about its features, and then leave your link in the description. And if you're wondering how I'll get views if I don't have any subscribers, and this is your first YouTube video, I have a solution for you. I'll share a platform with you which is actually going to help you to get more views to your video in which you are promoting Sellfy. And the platform in question is called VFly. This is over at vfly.com. This is a platform that helps you to get real views to your YouTube videos. As you can see, they make your YouTube videos go viral. We help you get more engagement on your YouTube video by promoting it to relevant audience using Google Ads. So you can even watch this 30-second long video in which they explain exactly how vfly.com works. And as you can see, they have over 4,500 happy clients, and they have delivered over 100 million of views, so this is a pretty good platform. And the best part is that the views are definitely real. The engagement that comes from people is real, as you can see right here. Now, this is an optional step. You definitely don't need to boost your videos with VFly unless you want to, but I just wanted to give you an option to do that as well, mostly for the fact that you can try their services even for free, as you can see right here. If you want to go just with those simple videos without boosting them, you can try that out, of course. After all, everyone has started from zero. But if you want immediate results and to maximize your earnings, and you want to set everything on autopilot, you can definitely try it out with vfly.com. Just do what is best for you. Anyways, with all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.